today's topic is very important, and this topic is significance of principles of management. What is the role of significance of management in the field of management? First of all, we should know how it is significant and on which limit is significant. It is too much significant in the field of management. Management is very important term for any organization. The first point is providing managers with useful insight to reality. The principles of management guides managers with useful insight into the real world. There are different type of situations in an organization, and at that time, how the management can handle all those situations. So, it is very significant, and not only this, it will provide to all the managers a special insight to enhance these principles will remove their knowledge, ability and understanding of various managerial situations and circumstances. Now the second point is optimum utilization of resources and effective administration. The resources with the company are limited. Management principles equip the managers to see the cause and effect of their decision. What the decision are going to be taken by the managers. After implementation, what result is coming? This is very important. Decision and actions thus reduce wastage. Decision must be like that there must be least wastage in our organization. The mainly thing is optimum utilization of resources means maximum benefit with minimum cost. This is very important. And the third point is scientific decision. Decision must be based on facts, thoughtful and justifiable in terms of intent, purpose. Management principles must be timely, realistic. It is very important. Some things were good in the past time, but it is not necessary those things will be beneficial in the present day condition, because all the conditions of the world are changing very rapidly. So we will have to cope up with all those conditions. But all the things must be realistic and subject to measurement and valuation. It is very important. And principles are free from bias and prejudice. We should not be biased. We should be impartial. At that time, the justification will come. And the third point, after third point, we will see the fourth point, meeting the changing environmental requirement. What does it mean? It means management principles are effective and dynamic. They must not only be effective, but they should be dynamic also, and thus help the organization to meet the changing requirement of the environment. Environment change is very common. It happens. It will happen. So we will have to change our decision according to the need and environment of our organization. Not only of the organization, we should see the society, we should see the government policies. All those factors will affect will have to see and cope up with all those things. After fourth point, we will see the fifth point, and the fifth point is fulfilling social responsibility due to the increased awareness of the public forces. Because there are different type of things, people have become learned, they are interconnected with the internet and television, etc. The people are educated now, so we will have to see what is the awareness in the public forces, and all the companies are required to fulfill social responsibilities. Principles of management not only help in achieving organizational goal. This is the understood that any organization will work for the organizational goal, but not only organizational goal is important, but also guide the managers in performing social responsibility. Because we cannot survive to fulfill the social responsibilities. Social responsibilities have become so important for any organization. The sixth point is the management training, education and research. This is also very important point. Management principles are the core of management and are helpful in increasing knowledge. It is the duty of our management to increase and enhance the knowledge of our employees so that they compete, they can give the better performance in organization to achieving the organizational goal. So it is also important for the management to increasing knowledge which form the basis of management training and research. Now the question is this: how we can increase the knowledge? We should research and design a training program for our employees. After that, they will be capable to help out the organization and they will enrich the organizational goal. Because they are capable, so they will complete the organizational goal also. Now we will see some more other things